In this video, we'll take a look at how Alation guides users to the best, most relevant assets across the platform. And it's handled through a concept called popularity, which we find everywhere. Let's take a look at a few examples. First up, let's pick an asset from our catalogue using search. I'll start with my enterprise data warehouse for retail and use popularity to guide my explorations. Let's search for retail in the search bar on the homepage. And we'll choose the Snowflake retail schema from these search results. We're taken to a rich, descriptive catalogue page for this schema, a collection of tables in our Snowflake warehouse. And if we scroll down, we can get to the catalogue list that shows us the full list of contents in our schema, alongside detailed titles and descriptions that include Ali AI smart retitling with the presence of the green robot icon. We also have our popularity metric, helping us quickly assess which tables have the most relevant information in a data source, and also tell us which tables are rarely used. Scrolling through the list, we see that popularity is relative, measured from 100 at the top of the list and rapidly decreasing as we scroll down. If the popularity bar of one object is twice as long as another, then the first object is used twice as often, giving the user a really quick assessment of where other users have been busy in this data source. Popularity is calculated through an algorithm within Alation that uses query log ingestion to understand the number of data source accounts that use the object and the number of times that the object was used from the query logs themselves. Popularity also takes into account how frequently the object has been used by Alation Compose, again measuring the number of analysts building queries with the object and the overall number of queries themselves. So, in this retail data warehouse, if we were exploring the data for the first time, there's two tables here that really stand out. The craft beer financial fact table that will likely be full of analytically rich financial metrics for us to slice and dice, and the hotel members table that will probably give us rich details about the retail loyalty scheme in the data warehouse. Popularity helps us as everyday users or analysts to take confident first steps with new data sources and get up and running quickly. In this video, we've covered the basics of popularity and how Alation uses information from query logs and platform usage to determine a powerful metric called popularity that can inform and guide users to find, understand, and trust new data sources. Visit alation.com to learn more about Alation, the leading data intelligence platform.